To this video, I will demo on how to unlock or remove password or pattern in your Realme C33. Okay, just follow me. First, you need to turn off your mobile first by holding power button and power up quick. Then when your device was turned off, hold volume down and power button together. Then when the logo appear, after 3 seconds, release the power button. Then another 3 seconds, release volume up. Okay, we are now in recovery mode. Then click wipe data or factory reset using volume down to select. Then power button to confirm, click it. Then select again factory data reset using volume down. Then click power button to confirm. It's done wiping. Then click power button to reboot the system. Okay guys, huwag kayong magtaka, medyo matagal ito mag-open, no? Kasi kaka-reset lang po natin ng unit. So huwag kayong mag-alala, magre-reboot din yan. Maybe 3 to 5 minutes or more bago siya mag-open. Later I will jump the video to make it short, okay? Okay, video jump, let's it up. Just follow what I am doing. Okay guys, kailangan nating mag-connect sa wifi, no? Para malagin natin ang Google account na naka-sign in sa ating device. Pero kung wala namang Google account na naka-sign in, may skip po dyan makikita nyo. I-skip nyo lang po para tuloy-tuloy. Pero sa kaso na to, meron tong Google account or FRP ang tawag nun. Kaya kailangan natin mag-connect para makapasok tayo at makapag-sign in sa Google. Take note nga pala, ang kailangan nating i-sign in sa phone na to ay yung previous na naka-sign in sa ating Google account, kasi hindi po ito mag-open kung iba ang isa-sign in natin or gagawa tayo ng ibang Google account na bago, kaya hindi pwede, no? Kaya kailangan yung lumang Google account na naka-sign in. Okay? Maliwanag? Then let's connect to the Wi-Fi first. Then click Don't Cafe. Then i-click po natin yung use your Google account. Okay guys, i-input na po natin dito ang ating Google account na naka-sign in. At manghingi din po yan ng password sa Google. Okay, kailangan po din natin i-input ang password ng Google. Okay po, maliwanag. Sana makatulong po to at maraming salamat.